Nestled in the highlands of the northern Philippines lies the town of Atok Benguet. Here, coffee farming is a way of life, and these precious coffee beans they grow will eventually become the world-renowned Atok Coffee.
We Filipinos love coffee. Regardless if you want to be productive, catch up with friends, or even spend time with our loved one. Coffee is more than a beverage. This staple, especially in Baguio, home of coffee lovers seeking a warm cup for the cold weather. And while they have seen how their coffee is made, hidden with its envelope is its origins.
Here in Kaliking Atok Benguet, we found this family of coffee farmers who have been thriving in selling their produce ever since.
Isa po kaming farmer. And then, nung may co-op po kami, doon po kami nagbebenta ng kape. Pero nung nag-pandemic, medyo hindi umano yung kape, hindi gumalaw yung kape ng sa co-op. Kaya medyo namumroblema kami kung saan namin bebenta yung kape namin, yung produkto namin. Of course, yun ang produkto namin, doon po kami kumikita. So, naisipan naming mag-online, ganon. Si Davey, siya ang taga-online, siya po ang nakikiusap sa mga buyers. And then, ako po yung nag-aasikaso ng produkto para siguraduhin maayos bago ma-deliver, hanggang sa pag-deliver. Yung binata, siya po ang nagpapadihal, siya po ang nakatuka sa pagdihal at saka pag-deliver po.
The Calbon family mainly harvests Arabica premium coffee, one of the most famous coffee beans used in Benguet. Known for its bean citric and fruity undertones, make them among the best in the Philippines.
Base po sa mga, kasi may pumunta din po dito nagre-research nung nasa co-op pa kami. Napatunayan nila na ang Atok Coffee ay isa sa mga pinaka-aromatic, mabango.
In order to harvest a coffee from seedlings, it would take about 3 to 5 years before you can have the produce of the trees. And from then, the coffee beans process would take months before selling it to the market.
Kasi, ang tinuro actually nila na is cuttings. Yung ika-cut siya na kapag mataas na daw, sabi nila i-cut. Pero nakita namin, trinay kasi namin yung cutting. Yan. So yung branches niya, nag-spread lang ng ganun. Yan. Masyadong nagbunga. Yan. Kaya tinuloy pa din namin yung ganyan. Kaya kapag nagka-harvest kami, yun, siya, yun, gumagawa yung kahit anong yun, panghila namin. Yun, para mag-bend siya. And then, pina-harvest.
The process of harvesting is rich and tedious. Carried out with great care is to handpick the ripe coffee cherries from the trees. This requires a gentle touch as the farmers must ensure that only the ripest cherries are harvested.
Kaya pag yung red lang ang pinipitas namin. Kaya may first, second, third harvest. Ipapadihal sa machine para maging ganito po siya.
Once it's picked, they are sorted by hand to remove any defective or unripe cherries. It is a time-consuming process, but essential to ensure the highest quality coffee beans are used.
Sa amin, kasi ito po ang tinatawag na dried process. Una, pick red, yung red lang po ang kinukuha namin. Tapos, dinadried, sun-dried yun. And then, more than 1 month, siguro, bago siya ma-dried. And then, pag naalis na to, ayun, sinusort na doon sa loob. Inaalis yung mga cracks at yung mga damages. Pag maganda na siya doon, yun, ipapak na namin at i-deliver sa mga nag-order.
Once the beans are fully dried, the family has their own secret to press the diffusing flavor and scent of Atok coffee. This is where the magic happens, as the beans are transformed from raw, flavorless seeds into rich, deep, and aromatic coffee.
Kailangan patayin yung tubig before na ilagay yung coffee kasi magiging acidic siya kapag nagbo-boil siya.
The process of harvesting Atok coffee may seem daunting, but it is what gives this coffee the rich and unique flavor. The farmers take great pride in their craft to producing only the highest quality coffee beans is evident in every cup.
3 to 5 minutes na i-rest mo na natin para bumaba yung kape.
If we support yung local Benguet coffee natin, it will not just help them, pero eventually it will help small businesses rin na nag-start ngayon. Positive ako sa coffee industry natin sa Benguet. And I'm really looking forward na we recognize quality coffee. We all have to work together. Promote quality, promote yung hindi lang para makabenta, pero that we can have something that we can be proud of. At I believe na lahat rin tayo magbe-benefit, including yung mga umiinom ng kape.
Sana magtuloy-tuloy ito at siya more on manual pa kami. Ang pangarap is sana po makakuha ng mga equipments na makakatulong sa business. Makatulong din po namin, pangarap namin na lumago at saka makatulong kami sa mga kapitbahay, kamag-anak para balang araw ay mapagtatrabahoan, ganun.